Good morning, good morning. Happy Functional FriYay. I am here with another quick organization tip for your craft room. And today I actually have 4 storage solutions to share with you for our kit collection stamps. So if you're like me and you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin and you love our kit collections, most of them come with a stamp set in the kit box, right? So we've got like our kit instructions, we've used all the parts and pieces, and now we have this stamp set, and what are we gonna do with them? So I have 4 solution storage options to share with you today that I know many others use and some that I use as well. So the first one is our stamp cases. So our standard stamp cases you can buy empty in a pack of 4, and you can put these stamps after you're done with the kit. You can fold up the instructions. I like to keep those for inspiration. You can put the stamp set right inside, and you can slip in the top opening, you can slip in the stamp set images, right? So that is one storage option for our kit collection stamps. All right, the second option is one that I have used for a long time, and that is a photo binder. So I'm going to open this up, and this has 4x6 pocket sleeves. And inside you can just flip the pages. You can see that I have the different Paper Pumpkin kits, and I have all of the papers that go with them. I have the stamp sets, and these 4x6 photo sleeves fit awesome for these sets. But as you can see, I'm getting lots and lots of them, and so it's getting quite full. It's like got that alligator mouth. It's getting quite full. So another option would be to use our awesome Stampin' Up! Albums. These are 6x8 albums, and you can get sleeves, packs of the sleeves from our Stampin' website, and you can fold the paper and the stamps and the stamp image paper, and you can slip those right inside. So what I've seen a lot of people do with these is get a binder for each year, and then you're only fitting, you know, the 12 to, let's say, 16, because sometimes we get extra Paper Pumpkin stamp, right? Or maybe it's the year of the kits, and so you have, you know, anywhere between 12 and 24 kits that we launch in our kit collection each year, and then you would have just a separate binder for each one. So that is our third storage option for all of our kit stamps. And then the last storage option that I'm going to share with you today, let me pull these out. So you can see they just go in and out real easy in those photo slips, right? So the fourth option that I'm going to share with you today is, you have seen this. These are the, what are they called? They're storage baskets. They're the Bright Room collection from Target. I think they're about $5 each when I bought them, and they are long and skinny. And so what I love about these, I keep my embellishments in these and a few other things, but these 4x6 vinyl envelopes that you can get on Amazon. They look like this. They're actually for passports, but they come in a pack of 10 on Amazon. And I keep all my embellishments in these, and I have shown you that. If you missed that Functional FriYay video, you can scroll back into the Functional FriYay playlist or find it on my blog at stampinqueenbee.com. But these passport sleeves work great for our embellishments, but they also work great for our kit collection stamps. So you can see the folded instructions if you want to keep those, the stamp set, and the image sheet that comes with our Paper Pumpkins now. all slip into these very easily. And then when you fill this up, you're just able to flip through and see your different kit collection stamps. So I am loving this as an option, and I am likely going to be moving from my binder, since it's getting so very full, into one of these so I can just quickly flip through these pockets and see and use my kit collection stamps. So let's put this one in here so that you can see. I just folded the instruction sheet into thirds. I like to keep that just for some ideas and inspiration with those stamp sets. We can just slip the actual stamp set right in, and you can slip the photo image sheet from the kit in there as well. So all of that fits nice and easy in there, and then we can just fill this up, and when we're looking for stamps, easy peasy just to flip right through them. So that is your functional FriYay, we'll call it tips today, since we had 4 storage solutions to share. All right, well, have a great week, everyone. I will talk to you guys soon. And if you missed anything or want to review any of our past videos, you can always find them on my blog or on my YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, sharing, liking, and commenting. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.